Conversation 71. To buy a bus ticket. Excuse me.
Yes. Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like some information about buses, please.
Where to?
To Toronto.
When?
This Saturday.
Morning or afternoon?
In the afternoon. About 3 o'clock.
There is one at 3:20.
Thank you, that sounds perfect. I'll take it. Conversation 72. On the phone.
Good morning, Scott and Smith Law Office. May I help you?
Yes. May I speak to David Waller, please?
I'm sorry, he isn't here yet. May I take a message?
Yes. Could you ask him to call Marjorie Vale?
How do you spell your last name?
Vile.
What's your phone number? Or does Mr. Waller have it?
No, he doesn't. It's 680-5290.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
680-5290.
I'll give him the message.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Conversation 73. Operating room. Mrs. Martin? I'm Dr. Thomas.
Oh, doctor, how is he?
Well, I'm afraid we'll have to operate.
Oh, no. He's always been afraid of operations.
Don't worry. If we operate now, he'll be all right.
Oh, doctor, do you really have to?
I'm afraid so. He's lost a lot of blood. If we don't operate, he'll die.
Oh, please just do whatever you have to.
Conversation 74. A car loan.
I want to go to the bank this afternoon.
I'll drive you there.
Thanks. I'm going to apply for a loan.
Why do you need a loan?
I have to buy a new car.
What's wrong with your car?
It won't start, and it's 10 years old.
How much will a new car cost?
About $15,000.
Wow! That's a lot of money.
I know. That's why I need a loan.
Conversation 75. A cashier. What kind of work do you do?
I'm a cashier at a supermarket.
Do you like your job?
No, it's not very interesting.
And you don't make much money?
That's right. I make very little.
I think you should look for another job.
I am, but it's not easy to find one.
Keep looking. You'll get one.
Thanks. I hope you're right.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.